And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So for the chicken breast, I have a couple breasts here. All you need to do is pinch them because you want the salt and the pepper to go through it. You're going to need some black ground pepper, salt, and some extra virgin olive oil. And because this is going to be a salad, clearly lettuce and tomatoes will play a role. So I like because it doesn't have the skin. This is skinless. You can add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a few drops. What you're going to do, you're going to rub it. Do the same on the other side. Few drops. Rub that baby. Then you're going to add some salt. Both sides. You're going to add some pepper. And you're going to rub it, and you're going to do the same on the other side. Salt and pepper. So I have a pan, medium heat. So what I'm going to do, and I have the oven preheating at 375 degrees too, by the way. Because first I'm going to, and I put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You know, sufficient like to cover the surface area, but not a lot. This is going to be what I call shallow simmering or frying. What you're going to do, you're going to give them a little cook, not a lot, because you're going to put this in the oven. So a medium high, you're going to cook one side for about 2 minutes because they are thick. If they were thin, just do 1 minute. And then you're going to flip it and do the same for 2 minutes in the other side. About 2 minutes later, you're going to turn it. See how beautiful it's starting to look? And you're going to do the other side for about 2 minutes. See how beautiful? Getting that crusty looking look, you know? And do the same for about 2 minutes. So I have a cast iron griddle. And what I'm doing is I put in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil before I put the chicken on top. And I'm going to broach it up. Once I put the chicken here, oven preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Time to put in the oven. And I initially going to let it cook for about maybe 20 minutes, and then I'm going to check it out, okay? As the chicken breast cook in the oven, I already prepared my lettuce. I wash it, clean it up. I have a tomato, which I cut. And what I have here is my dressing. This is done with mandarin orange. You can do with orange. Link in the description. This is going to add another element to this nice salad. It's been 20 minutes. Oh, this baby looks tender. Let me turn it around. I think I'm going to cook it for about another 10 on the other side. Because I want to make sure it's cooked. You can use a thermometer, but I'm not. Yeah, I'm going to let it cook for about another 10, 12 minutes. tender.